Hello everyone again. So in this video lesson we will try to draw this sample. So as you remember, like we are drawing the samples from PDF file practice number 10. So now it's time to draw this file. We already finished this 4, so now it's time to draw this one. So it seems a little bit tricky sample this one, so we will think how to draw it first, and then we will try to one by one complete all the parts of this sample. So first of all, I have already opened a new document, so that's why. Let's see the file first. As you can see, here is 4 small circles, maybe semicircles, this kind of, the dimension is same for them. So as you can see, dimension of these circles, like the radius is 2.5 millimeters. So in this case I want to increase the scale of this drawing, so I want to increase the scale 10 times. So when I start the drawing, so the radius of these circles will be 25 millimeters. So let's get started. First of all, the small circle with 25 millimeter radius. So as you can see, we finished with this one. Let's use center mark. I'm calling this command from command menu from here. So as you can see, I finished. So and then what can we do is, let's drop the file to our workspace. Page number 3, yeah. Done. Okay. The scale of this one and this document is not same, so if you want to change, you can change by properties from here. Let's do this maybe 100. Done. I think it's normal. We can see, we can read necessary information from this scale. So okay, so what will we do now is we will copy like another 3 circles. I will select this one, I will use copy, and then I will select the copying point, so it will be midpoint. I will choose it, so I will go right. I'm using ortho mode from here, as you can see, so it doesn't change how can I say, distance or angle, so it will be like 0 angle. So I just put the dimension here. As you can see, here the dimension is like 30 millimeters. So as I said, we already increased the scale of this file, so I will put here like 300 millimeters. Done. Now I will select both of them, and then I will copy them in vertical way. Okay, in this angle is like 90 millimeters, so I just put 300 millimeters. So done. I will press escape. As you can see, what I want to do now, as you can see, here is like semi circles also here. This one, like 4 semicircles. So let's build them also, and then we will start building the central part of our detail. First of all, I will select this one also, and I will copy it, midpoint. I will put 100 millimeters. Done. So no, I made a mistake, sorry. So I need to copy to it in vertical side, so 100 millimeters. Done. For this one also copy, $100 for this side also. If I put like $400, I will get a necessary result. For this side I will select again, I will use copy tool. For this side $100, done. So now it's time to build this part of our detail. So first of all, as you can see, center is located like 15 mm right, and then I need to go out from here like 25 mm. So if I decrease like 10 mm from here, it will be like 15 mm to go up. So as you can see, here is like square rectangle. So I will use line tool with temporary track point. So as you remember, we need to press Ctrl and right click of our mouse, so to choose temporary track point. And then I will choose starting point from here. So I will go right, I will put the dimension 150 mm, and then I need to go up, it will be also 150 mm, done. So the end of this line will be center of this ellipse. Sorry, I forgot the name of this figure, so it will be ellipse. First of all, I want to choose this ellipse tool, and then I will choose center. So as you can see, it asks me the horizontal dimension of this ellipse, so it will be, I think, like 150 mm. So right, and vertical side of our ellipse will be 120 mm, done. 120, and as you can see, for this side is similar with center of this circle, so it will be 150 mm. So done. From this center I want to just build one circle. No, it's quite big, maybe like this, and then I will choose center mark. I will put center mark here, done. After that, sorry, I will delete this line, it will be difficult to delete it later, so I will put center mark here, done. And then I will delete this circle, unnecessary circle. After that, I will choose line tool again. I will draw line which is 16.75 mm. So in this case it will be 167.5 mm. I will go up 167.5 mm. Done. So I will move it to right side with move tool. I will choose this point, and then I need to go right 30 mm, done. And then I will select this one again, and then I will use mirror tool to copy it to left side, done. After that, I will connect them with another line, horizontal line, and then I will use trim tool to delete extra parts of this figure. So as you can see, we already finished with a central part of our detail. So now it's time to build the most difficult part of our detail. In this case, we need to build this kind of parts of our detail. In this case, I will start from this part of our detail, and then I want to copy them. So it will be a little bit difficult to build all of them one by one. So what I want to do, as you can see, as you mentioned, here is another radius, so it means it can be here like another circle. So I will copy it. I will copy this circle like this, 100 mm. And then what I wanted to do, as you can see, here is the dimensions. The first radius is 10 mm, another one is 6 mm. I want to build the radius with 10 millimeters. In our case it will be 100 millimeters. Done. And then what I wanted to do, I will use fillet tool with the radius 60 millimeters, and then I will select these lines like this, and then I will use trim tool to delete extra lines. Be careful with small extra lines, pay attention to them. And then I will delete from this part also because it's not necessary. Done. So as you can see, we already finished this part of our detail. So what we will do now, we need to build this part of our detail. In this case I want to use this one, I think, arc tool. In this case we will use start and radius. So what we need to build first this part with only line. I want to increase this center on line like this, and then I will select simple line tool. I will start drawing from this part to right side until connection. Now you can increase like this, and then you can just decrease it like this. Done. Okay, so first of all, what I wanted to do, I will choose this tool again, starting point from here, and then ending point will be tangent point of this circle. So as you can see, it gives me this like rounded, green rounded point. It will be tangent point. If you use like snaps, you can find it. So here is tangent point is on, so I can use it. So okay, I will select it. Then I need to put radius. The radius is 50 millimeters. In our case will be 500 millimeters. So okay, as you can see, it's connected smoothly but not 100%. So you can see here is like small mistake. Maybe we will select it and then we can move a little bit. We will turn off ortho mode, maybe until here. So if we do this kind of stuff, it's easy to do, but sorry, I made a mistake. What mistake I will show you. If you trim this part, as you can see, this is not smooth line, so we need to do it very smoothly. Okay, what will we do? We will go back, we will delete our last actions, this part also. Okay, in this case we will use circle tool with like 10 radius, not last one, this one. Okay, in this case we will use this line, this part. We will select tangent point, the deferred tangent point for second one from this circle, and then we need to just type radius 500 millimeters. Done. Okay, as you can see, the software gives us automatically the smooth line. If we use trim tool to delete extra lines like this, be careful to all lines, from here also, here, then here. Okay, it's connected smoothly here, and then we can delete this unnecessary part of this figure. Okay, so and then pay attention to this part, zoom it maximum. So as you can see, unnecessary line from here, so delete it like this. Okay, done. So let's compare them, this part and this part. So sorry, I forgot to trim this part. Okay, you can compare it with this part, with this part. I think it's finished. So what I wanted to do now, just copy them, but copying was with mirror tool is not correct. As you can see, if we copy it, like, it will be not right. So copying, we will copy a necessary part with the rotate tool. I will show you how to do it. Okay, I will select these parts and then this line also. Okay, pay attention, as like we get all necessary parts. Okay, and then I will choose rotate tool, then I will choose rotation center, this center, and then I will select here in command line copy, as you can see, copy, and then I will go right. I need to put angle, specify the rotation angle, it will be 9 degrees. Done. Did I made a I think I made a simple mistake. So let's do it again. Let's select all these parts and then rotate, center, copy, enter. Oh, we are doing some kind of mistake. I don't know what kind of mistake, but let's check some dimensions here. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, 100 millimeters. Let's select one by one. Maybe we did a mistake in here. Alright, as you can see, the center of this ellipse is located in wrong place, so we need to increase it. So it should be in distance 150 millimeters. So we did a mistake, so I will select all these parts of center of our detail, and then I will use move tool from midpoint, and then I need to go right side like 50 millimeters, not 50, it should be 5, sorry, it should be 5. Let's select again necessary part, move. Okay, now it's correct. Delete. And then we can select from here necessary part. If we rotate from this center now, I need to check copy, don't forget select it. Okay, now it's correct. Let's copy it in 3 times, and then we will delete unnecessary parts in one action. So let's select this once again, we don't need this circle, I think. Yeah, we select necessary part, rotate, center point, copy, done. I forgot to select this line, so I just draw it on my own until here. Done. So let's select them again. Done. Okay, rotate, base point, copy, 90 degrees down. Okay, now we will use trim tool to delete unnecessary part. We will start from here, this one, this part. Okay, now it's time to delete from here. Okay, done. And from here. Okay, done. If we select, let's decrease these lines a little bit. Like this. Okay, after decreasing, let's select all center marks. And then let's change color of them, this to yellow. So after changing, we can just compare it easily with this sample. As you can see, the quality is good, the quality of our work is good. The size is bigger, but anyway, if after changing the scale, it will be easy to draw it. If we draw with original size, it will be little bit difficult to draw it, but you can try to draw it in original sizes. And then after that, don't forget to put dimensions and sizes. Thank you very much for your attention.